Hello, good morning everyone. So today we are solving another daily question, and the question is sum of digits or string after convert. So we are given that we have a string consisting of lowercase English letters and integer k. First, what we need to do is convert s, that is a string, into an integer by replacing each letter with the position in the alphabet. That is, A will be replaced with A, B with will 2, Z with 26, and so on. That means that whatever their position are, that we need to replace with that. So I'll quickly explain that to you. I think that is pretty much straightforward, that A will be replaced with 1, B with 2, C with 3, D with 4, and so on. Y with 25, Z with 26. Yeah, so that is basically in the first operation what we want to do. Then they transform the integer by replacing it with the sum of digits. Repeat the transform operation k times in total. So we are also given k, and let's say that after sum of these letters, that's after conversion, we get something like this, like 23, 22, 9, 7. Now what we need to do is we need at k times we need to find the sum of these individual digits. Let's say this was initially after conversion at 23 was one, later 22 was another, 9 was another, and 7 was another. So what we need to do is calculate the sum of these, and we need to continue doing it k times. So after one operation, this will become 2 plus 3, that is 5. 2 plus 2 is 4, 9, 9, 18, 18, 25. So this becomes 29, and this is when if k is equal to 1. If k is equal to 2, we need to repeat this operation. So when k is equal to 2, it will become 7. And what if k is equal to 3? So since we already reach a case where we have only a single digit, so it does not matter what the k is, it will remain the same for the next operations. Okay, so this is pretty much what straightforward, and we just need to implement it. We can just quickly look at the example. S is string is 4 times I, and k is equal to 1. Okay, so after first operation, since I appears as ninth index, so it will be 9999. And after k operation, that is k is equal to 1, that we simply need to find the sum of that, and 4 times 9 is 36, and we return the integer value 36. Another example is of Leetcode, and k is 2 times, so we need to repeat that sum of uh, individual digits 2 times. So initially it was 12, 5, 23, 15, 4, 5. It becomes like this, and then we take the sum, and it is 33. But since k is 2, we will again perform that operation, and it will become 6. So yeah, that is pretty much what we need to do. So let's start with the implementation. Initially, I'll declare one sum that will be storing the summation value. Okay, so and I will iterate for auto I in S. I will iterate each letter of string S, and what I'll do is I'll take that value. I don't know that whether it will be a single digit number, that is from 1 to I, from A to I, or above that, because when it is above 10, I will have two digits, and I have to make in consideration both the digits. So what I'll do is I'll take another variable, let's say conversion variable, and it will be I minus A plus 1. So what it will do is whatever the letter I is, it will subtract I from it, and it plus 1, because we are starting the indexing from 1. So now we have this con, and we'll quickly check that if con is less than 10, then simply add that value to sum. Otherwise we need to take care of both the digits. So this will be sum plus conf by 10, that is the digit at 10th position and digit at 1's position. So con modulus 10 will give me the position at 10th position, 1's position. Okay, so now we have the sum. Now what we need to do is perform the second operation, that is keep on submitting it k times. Okay, so one thing we observe that we already performed it once, because this is the conversion part and we are basically taking the sum of this. So already we have performed one operation and k is minimum 1, so one time we have to perform this. Okay, so while my k is greater than 1, because one time we have already performed it, so we need not to perform it k times again. That will become k plus 1 time, so I will perform after my summation part k minus 1 time, so k greater than 1. And what if we reach a position where the sum of digits is a single digit? So why we don't need it to keep on unnecessary perform the operation, we just break it out, because we have seen this in above example that once we reach 7, that no need, it will be 7 only, so we'll continue with that. Okay, and sum is less than 10, oh sorry, greater than equal to 10, then we'll continue doing it. And what we will do, we'll create another variable template, say, and while sum is greater than 0, inside temp we will keep on adding sum modulus 10 and sum divided by 10. And after this while loop is done, we'll update sum with temp and k minus minus, and we'll just simply return the sum. Hope this part made clear. If not, please reach out to me, comment it out if there any. Okay, uh, it's sum divided. Okay, this seems fine. Let's submit and check. So yeah, this was the logic for this. If there's any concern, please reach out to me. Thank you. See you tomorrow.